disorder. So we are approaching mental disorder or mental diseases or spectrum or chronic disorder from quite a peculiar perspective. We take in a transdisciplinary approach. Transdisciplinary is basically when mutually exclusive disciplines converge, right, to formulate a new conceptual idea, right? Multidisciplinary is when mutually exclusive disciplines converge. Cross-disciplinary studies is when you take an explanatory position of one discipline within the context of another. So we are approaching mental disorder from a cross-disciplinary, a multidisciplinary, and a transdisciplinary, and also an interdisciplinary perspective, which interdisciplinary falls within the category of where mutually exclusive disciplines sort of permeate each other to formulate new ideas.
Basically, all that means is taking multiple disciplines into consideration. It may be a situation where mutually exclusive